Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you again in Pakistan International School Taif. This is your mathematics class for grade 4, and today we are going to start page number 98 and 99. On page number 98, the topic is tenths and hundredths. As you know, in previous video we do about tenths and hundreds, and today we will again know about tenths and hundreds. It is question number 8. In question number 8, you have put the number below into your table. Then first you have to write the question. Part A, 482 3/100. So as you knew in previous video, this is the fraction sign. So first of all you write this 3, and this is 1 2. After 2 you put the point. This is 3, this is one number, and then you have 2 0 1 2. This is hundreds, 1 and 2, and you have just put the point, and then you write this as it is, 482.03. This is very easy. Okay, dear students, in B you have 551/100. So it's very easy. 51, this is 51, 1 2, there are 2 0, so you have to put point here, and then you write this one. This is the answer. It's very easy. C, 605/10. So this is 5. How many 0? This is 1 0. So after one digit 1, so you put the point after one digit, and you write this one, 605. You have to keep in mind how many 0 you count, 1 1 and then put. If there is 2 0 1 2 1 2, put the point. In D, 328/1/100. Very simple. You have to write this one here, and then 1 2 1. There is another number, so we put 0 here, 1000, and then point, and this is 300. This is the answer. Okay. Same here in E, 999/100. So very easy. 99, this is 99, 1 2 1 2. After 2 digit you put point, and then you write this one here. Okay. Then last part, 695, and then 65/100. So you have to write 65. So how many 0? 1 2 1 2, and then put point, and this same as it is, 695, and this is your answer, and you can do easily. Okay, dear students, next question number 9 is write these in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to greater. Okay. This is question number 9. I know this, so you have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means which one is smaller. First of all, we read all 2.47, 2.43, 2.48, 2.45. So first of all, we see which one is smaller. This is 2.43. Solution is 2.43, this one, and then we have 2.45, and then 2.47, 2.48, this one is 2.47, and then last one is this one, 2.48. This is the answer, this is the solution. Same here in part B, we have put it all 8.76, 7.86, 6.78, 8.78. First of all, we see before the point, this is 8, this is 7, this is 6, this is 8. This is smaller because this is 6. So in solution, we have to write this first one 6.78, and then this one 7.86, and then 8.76, 8.78. This is greater, so it's smaller as compared to this one, 8.76, and then this one 8.78. This is called ascending order. Here also in solution 3.81, 8.31, 8.30, 3.80. So this is 3.81, this is 3. So this is smaller, and then this is greater than this one, 3.81, and then 8.31, 8.30. So this is 8.30, and then this one 8.31. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand this one. Next one, question number 10. Look these carefully, then write the missing number. The numbers are given, so you have to write that missing number. This is question number 10, part A, 15.4, 15.4, and here is missing, and this is 15.6. So what will number come between 15.4 and 15.6? There will be 15.5. It's very easy. 15.5, this is the answer. In part B, 17.8, 17.8, then there is missing number, and then 18.0. So you know that after 17.8 there will be 17.9, 17.9, and then it will be 10, it will be 18.0. Okay, dear students. Same in C, you have 18.10, 18.10, and there is blank. Here is 18.12. So what will be the number? 18.10. Then it will be after 18.10, 18.11, 18.12. Okay. And D, 49.99. Be careful. 49.99. What will be the number? And then 50.01. So as you know that 99, it will give number to this one 50. So mean 50.00. This is the answer, 50.00, and then 50.01. Okay. Last part E is 70.98, 70.98, then blank. This is 71.00. So what will be the number After 70.98 there will be 70.99. This is the answer. Okay dear students, I hope you understand this question. Next question 11. Write these as fraction. This is question number 11. It's very easy. Question 11. The question is given in decimal form. You have to write as in fraction. Part A 19.94. 19.94 you have to write this first one 19, and then this is after point here, after point 12. Sorry. This will be 94 here, 94 here, and point 1, 1, 2, 2 digit 20. This is the answer. 90 will be here, 94 will be here, after point 1, 2 with 1, 2, 0. In B, 493.1. 493.1. So very easy. 493, and then this is 1, 1. After point 1 digit, so you put 1, 0. This is the answer. In C, 24.2. 24.2. So first of all you write 24, and then 2 will be here. In place of point we would write 1 and 1 digit 1, 0. If you have 1 digit, we put 1, 0. If you have 2 digit, like this 2, 2, 0. In D, 738.08. 738.08. Also easy. 738. 08 you can write 08 over 100. Okay. And then part E, 35.9. 35.9. So simple 35. This is 35, and then there is 9. You have write 9. After point 1 digit you put with 1, 1, 0. Last part of this question, F, 415.85. So we have write equal here, and you can write answer here. This is 415, 415, then 85, 2 digit 201, 00. This is your answer. Okay dear students. Now come to page number 99, and this is your last page which is included in scheme of study for second term. On page number 99 the topic is decimals and fractions. So the question is given, question number 1. Question 1, part A. Write these fraction as decimal by changing them into equivalent fraction with denominator 10 or 100. The question is given 1 over 4. So we have to change this denominator into 10 or 100. So 4 we cannot change into 10. So we will change this into 100. So how we multiply this with this? 4 multiply what will be 100? We want denominator 100 or 10. So 10 is not possible and 4. So 25 fours are 100 and also multiply 25 here. So we can change this into 100. 125 is 25 over 425 is 100, and then we shall change into decimal. You write as you know 1 2 and put point here, and this is 0.25 the answer. Very easy. Next one, part B, is 3 over 20. 3 over 20. We also change this denominator. We cannot make 10, we will make 100. So 20 5 is 100 and multiply 5 here. 3 5s are 15 and this 25 is 100. And then we will change into decimal. 15, 1 2, 1 2 and then point and 0. This is the answer. Okay, and then in part C you have 9 over 25. 9 over 25. So we have to change this into 100 or 10. We cannot change into 10. We will change into 100 into equivalent fraction, multiply by 4. Also multiply 4 here. 9 4s are 36 and 25 4s are 100. And then we can write easily a decimal 36. How many 0? 1 2. 1 2 and then put point and 0. This is the answer. In C, D, 2 over 5. This is part B. 2 over 5. So we can change into 10. How? 5 multiply 2, it will be 10. Also multiply 2 here. 2 2s are 4 and this 5 2s are 10. And then we will change into decimal. So 4. How many 0? 1 0. So after 1 point, this is 0. And then E, 2 over 25. 2 over 25. It will be same. So we cannot change into 10. We will change into 100. How? 25 4s are here also 4. So 2 4s are 8 and this is 100. So this is 8. How many 0? 1 2. This is 1 digit 1 and put 0 and then point and this. This is the answer. Okay. In F you have 8 over 20. So 8 over 20 we will change into equivalent fraction of 100. 20 multiplied by 5, also multiplied by 5 here. 5 8s are 40 over 100. And then we will change into decimal. This is 1 2, 1 2 and then point, and this is your answer. And then G, 4 over 5. 4 over 5. We can change into 10. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10 or multiply 2 here. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Then 8 here, how many 0? 1 0. After 1 digit 1, point and 0. This is the answer. Next part, H and I are your homework. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Write these as fraction or mixed number into their lowest terms. Okay. There is question number 2 on page 99. Here the question is, write these as fraction or mixed number in their lowest terms. So part 1, part A is 0.25. 0.25. First of all, we will change into fraction. 25, it is 25, then fraction. After point 1220. Okay, dear students, now we will simplify. We will change into less terms. We see that this is 25, this is 100. So we can divide by table of 5. 25 divided by 5 will be 5 and 100 divided by 5 will be 20. Here you can see that again we can divide further. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. 20 divided by 5 will be 4. This is the answer. Okay. B 0.72. So 72 we write this one first of all, and then this point, in place of point we write 2 digit 20, and then we have to simplify. This is 72, this is 100, can be divided by table of 2. So 72 divided by 2, it will be 36, and 100 divided by 2 will be 50. 36, 50. Again we can divide by 2. 36 divided by 2 will be 18. 50 divided by 2 will be 25. 18, 25. We cannot divide furthermore, and this is your answer. C 5.1. So this is whole number, this is 5 will be here, like this is whole, 5 whole, this is 1 will be here, this point 1, and this 1 digit 10. This is your answer. This is whole number here, this here, point 1. After point you have 1 digit, put 10, and this is your answer. We cannot further simplify it. And there is part D. Part D is 0.3. 0.3 means 3 right here and line after point 1 digit 10, and we cannot further simplify this. This is your answer. Next one, E 1.55. This is part E 1.55. This is whole, 1 will be here. This is 55. This is point, in place of point we write 2 digits 20. Now here you can see that this is 55, this is 100. Can be simplified by the table of 5. So whole number will be as it is. 55 divided by 5 will be 11. 100 divided by 5 will be 20. This is your answer. Okay, dear students. Last and final part, F 6.4. 6.4. First of all, we change this one. This is whole number. This will be here. This is 4. 4 will be here. This is point. In place of point, we write 1. After point 1 digit, we put 1 0. Okay. We can further divide 4 and 10 by 2. This whole number will be as it is. 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. And this is your answer. Okay, dear students, this was the last question. And there is homework, just 2 part. Page number. This is your homework. Homework. Book page. This book page 99. Question number 1, part H and I. Question 1, part H and I. Just this is your homework. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood. And if you have any problem, you can ask your teacher. And have a safe time. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.